x cube plus minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a anta. So let us divide. Now we have become experts now in this type of division. So let us divide and give the remainder to them. Find the remainder they have asked, so that we should give them the remainder. So second main question is, so directly I will write, children, we have to divide x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a has to be divided by what? X minus a. Here we need not worry. If you look at the divisor, children, first is variable x followed by the constant. So don't worry, keep it as it is. But in the previous problem, 5 was given first followed by x. In that case, you need to interchange. One more thing I want to tell you, children. In the previous me, while recording the video for the pi problem, no, x plus pi, fourth one is there, no. For that, the polynomial, to write x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, I have written 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and so on. So it became quite lengthy. As I said you, for x minus half I did x plus half, no, like that only. For this problem and this problem, both I will work out in one sheet and send the snap for you along with the video. So I want you to solve both. Let it be practice. Do it. Anyhow, you are sitting at home and resting happily. Your parents are keep on complaining that they are not studying, watching mobile, watching TV, only eating, not listening to us. Like this complaints we are receiving. So sit and work out. Both the problems I want you to. So here totally 5 are there plus 2. 7 problems you need to solve in first one. Now let us concentrate on the second one. They are asking us to find the remainder. So what is the first step? Write the first term of the monomial. X cube divided by first term of the binomial is x. You circle it, encircle it in the test and exam also, no problem. So divided by x, when you do 1x, 3l 1x hodre, I am left with x square. That is first term, I forgot to write. So what is my first term in the quotient? X square. X into x square, x cube. Minus into plus, minus. See, be careful, children. If minus is there, don't forget to multiply the sign. This minus a is there. So minus into plus, minus. A into x square enayitu, ax square banbiಡ್ತು. It means both the terms are getting cancelled. Let us check. Plus to minus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus sign. So plus to minus. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. Minus na change to plus. So plus x cube minus x cube cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus ax square plus ax square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So happily don't end the problem. We are left with 2 more terms here. Plus 6x ಇದೆ. So plus 6x is my second term now. Which is the second term? 6x is the second term, which has to be divided by the first term of the monomial, that is x. x6 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ I am left with only 6. So plus 6 is my second term in the quotient. X into 6s plus 6x. Bring down the minus a also, together we will finish. Minus a into plus 6 is minus 6a, correct? So change the sign, plus to minus, minus to plus. See, it doesn't mean that in one step minus, in first term plus into plus na minus change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ second term allu plus na minus ke change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡು. If at all it is having minus, minus to plus change ಮಾಡೋದು, but you have to compulsorily change the sign. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ plus ಇತ್ತು, I change plus to minus. Here minus ಇತ್ತು, I change the minus to plus. So plus 6x minus 6x cancel ಆದರೆ I am left with minus a plus 6a. So I have plus 6a, bari a andre 1a. 1 plus 1 minus andre subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5a. 6 is greater than 1. 6 is having plus sign andre. I will get, what do I get? I will get plus 5a as the remainder. So what is the remainder? So next we shall go to third main, children, which is the last problem of this exercise. Question is, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cubed plus 7. So we need to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cubed by 7. When do we say this? Here they are not asking remainder or to divide. We are just asking how to check whether it is factor or not. How to check, Andra children? This 3x cube plus 7x now you will write it as the what? dividend and 7 plus 3x ಇದೆ. See 7 plus 3x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ first you should always have variable while dividing. So I will interchange 7 plus 3x as 3x plus 7 since I want to have the variable as the first term. So you will have to, in order to check whether this is a factor of this, what we need to do is divide this given polynomial by the given binomial. When you do so, if at all you get the remainder to be 0, then we say yes, it is a factor. If we don't get remainder 0, no, it is not a factor, we will tell. So let us solve it now. Same step we shall do. Write the first term. What is the first term? 3x cube divided by first term of the binomial 3x. See 3x. 3 no cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1x x cube jothe cancel ಆದರೆ I am left with x square. So my first term in the quotient is plus x square. 3x into x square is 3x cube plus 7 into plus x square andre plus 7x square. Draw the line. Plus to minus plus 3x cube minus 3x cube gets cancelled. One more problem is there in this problem, children. What is that andre? Till now in the polynomial we solved, we had all the terms in the decreasing order of their powers. Andre x cube idre x square x to the power constant ashtu iradu. But here in this problem, if you observe, children, we have only 3x cube plus 7x. Andre x square term is missing. So in place of that, let us write 0x square followed by 7x as given in the problem. So 7x square, what I get, I will write as it is. So plus 3x cube minus 3x cube will get cancelled. 7 into x square is 7x square. 0 minus 7x square andre minus 7x square. Alva 0 minus 7 is, don't write 0. Anything multiplied by 0, but anything added or subtracted with 0 is not 0. So 0 minus 7x square andre minus 7x square. Now what is my second term? Minus 7x square has to be divided by first term of the binomial, that is x. 3x x cancel ಆದರೆ minus 7 by 3x ಉಳ್ಕೋತು ನನಗೆ. So my second term in the coefficient is minus 7 by 3x. So 3x into 7 by 3x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ minus 7 by x square ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? I will check. So 3x, which 3x? This 3x into minus 7 by 3 x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 3 ones cancel ಆದರೆ into ಇದು into, so it is 7 into x square is 7x square ಬಂತಲ್ಲ minus 7x square I will get. So 3x into minus 7 by 3x is minus, and don't forget to bring down the next term, plus 7x. 7 into minus 7 by 3. 7 into minus 7 by 3 x andre what do I get? 7 into minus 7 by 3 andre 7 sevens are minus 49 by 3x ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. So minus 49 divided by 3 into x I got. Don't worry. Minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 7x square minus 7x square gets cancelled. So now I am left with 7x plus 49 divided by 3x. So x common tagondre children, I am left with 7 plus 49 by 21 plus 49, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 70 by 3 it is. So 70 by 3 we got. 70 by 3x, correct? This 70 by 3x is there. Now this is my third term. Where shall I write? I will clean this part. So now third term is plus 70 by 3x. That has to be divided by first term of the binomial again, which is 3x. x cancel ಆಯ್ತು. I said numerator fraction ಇದ್ದು denominator fraction ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ denominator ನ denominator ಜೊತೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So we get minus 70 by 9. So my last term of the coefficient is minus 70 by 9. So now I should find out what do I get on multiplying 3x. This 3x into minus 70 by 9 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ see 3 ones are 3 3s ಆಯಿತು 70 into x minus 70 x by 3. So didn't I get my term? Yes. So plus into minus, minus 70 by 3x. I got. Now 7 into 70, you cannot leave since no term is there, children. 7 into minus 70 by 9 andre 7 7s are 49 minus 490 divided by 9 minus 490 divided by 3x minus 70 by 3x gets cancelled and left by minus 490 divided by 9, which is the remainder, children. Here two things you need to keep in mind. First thing was, if at all any term like x cube, x square, all the terms should be there in the decreasing order of power. If at all it is missing, you will write it by yourself as 0x square. Next, children, ಇಲ್ಲಿ constant illa alva, so you can write it as 0x. So only 0, sorry, bring down 0. If at all it is confusing, 0. So 0 minus 490 by x. So minus andre plus ಆಯಿತು. So plus 490 by x is the remainder. Since we are not getting remainder as 490 by, we are not getting as 0, and hence we can say that 7 plus 3x is not the factor of what? 3x cube plus 0 plus 7x anta we will write one line. So this is about the third main, children. This main is very confusing and difficult, you may feel. So please watch the video again and again and solve in your rough book once and then put it neatly into your classwork. Any doubts you can call and ask me, children. So please work out the problems. Totally 5 problems were there in the first main, but I substituted for x plus pi, x plus pi and x minus pi. So we arrived at one more problem. No loss in that. I want you to write that problem also in the classwork, and along with this video I will be sending the snap of that solved problem of x minus pi as well. So put it in your classwork. So please watch the video, complete your classwork. Any doubts, please ask me. So see you all in the next class.